Okay, hi everyone. So in this video, it will be a very short tutorial video. I will show you how to install VMware Workstation Player where you run your virtual machine to run Ubuntu OS. So first and foremost, what you need to do is to download VMware installer itself. So you simply go to VMware website. You can also Google VMware by yourself, and then you can find this page right here. You go to download now, and then simply go to this page and then choose your OS. So for me, I'm using Windows OS, so I go download VMware. So I already pre-downloaded everything to to save some time. Okay, so here is where you can download your Ubuntu ISO. So this process will take some time because Ubuntu ISO file is quite big. So I also pre-install it so that I also pre-downloaded it so that we don't need to wait. Okay, so here is my file right here. So we have here the VMware installer. So just like any other simple software, you only need to do a simple step, click next, and then maybe you want to read some description they have. If you want to select certain configurations, you can do it. So very simple one. I just use the default setting, and then that's all. So since I already installed my VMware, I'll just click cancel it right here. Okay, so this is the VMware Workstation software. So it will look like this. So here I already created one virtual machine named project 1. So when you first started using VMware, you can go to create a new virtual machine. So here it will be blank, so you need to browse through the Ubuntu ISO that you downloaded just now, and then click next, and then you can personalize your Linux with your own name, username, and also your own password. So since I already created my VM, so let's have a look. Wait for a while. Okay, so here while waiting for the system to start, so here you can see we have manage. So we also have removable devices if you want to connect with your printer or CD player, and here you can manage your virtual machine setting. So here you can choose how many RAM you wanted to put for your virtual machine. So it depends on how much your host machine RAM, how many RAM your host machine have. So for me, I just put 4 as recommended, and also many other settings that you can do with your VM. You can choose and you can personalize, or you can set to your own preference, depends on what you wanted to do with it. So here is my Ubuntu system. So when you first start to use install VMware and then run your Ubuntu OS, it will take some time. They will do some installation. It will take a few minutes and maybe show you around how to navigate around Ubuntu. So here is my system. So for Ubuntu 20, you can directly install a certain software through Ubuntu software right here. For example, I want to install VS Code, right? So you just Control F and then search for VS Code. Not all softwares are available, but some are available, and this step is very simple. So I figured out I might show you around if you don't know about it. So I installed VS Code using this Ubuntu software. So that's all from me for this tutorial video. So I hope I'll make more video on how to run deep learning using pre-trained model on Ubuntu OS. So I hope you enjoy or you find this tutorial video very helpful, and I hope you'll start your coding projects or whatever that you wanted to do with your VMs. That's all from me, so thank you for watching.